Means of transport. Basically, there are three means of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Land transport. It means of transportation that moves on land. As land transport is cheaper and it's the most common means of transporting people and goods from one place to another. For example, car, bicycle, auto rickshaw, bus, truck, motorcycle, scooter, and train that moves on railway tracks. Next one is air transport. It means of transportation that moves in the air. Air transport can move people and goods to different places very quickly. However, it is expensive, means costly as compared to land and water. Like aeroplane, helicopter, and glider. One more, hot air balloon. Next one is water transport. It means of transportation that moves on water and it helps us move across lakes. Water transport is slow as compared to land and air travel. People use water travel for short distances while transporting huge quantities of goods to far away places. For example, boat, ship, yacht. Students, now take out your book and see page number 68. The traffic light. While traveling on the road, we should be very careful. We should follow all traffic rules for our safety on road. Read what the three lights of the traffic signals say. Red light, what do you say? I say stop right away. Red light say stop. Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait until I turn green. What does yellow light say? To wait. Next one is green light. Green light, what do you say? I say go, but be careful along the way. Green light say go. So, to avoid accidents at home and outside, we should follow the safety rules. Did you follow the safety rules while crossing the road? And always cross the road with the help of your mother, father, brother, and sister. Now, see what are the safety rules. First one is always walk on the footpath. Don't run on the road. Students, always walk on the footpath and don't run on the road. Next one is cross the road at the zebra crossing. Stand in a queue while boarding the bus. Don't try to run. Next one is Never put your finger into an electric socket. Never play with a matchstick because it is very dangerous to play with it. Next one is never run up and down the stairs. You may slip, fall, or get hurt. So walk slowly in the stairs. Next one is always swim in the presence of elders or a trainer. Use a swimming tube and don't go in deep water. Next one is never play with sharp things. Don't play with sharp things such as blade, knife or scissor. Never leave toys on the floor. Someone may trip, fall or get hurt. Clear? Now let us understand about safe touch, good touch and bad touch. So, what is safe touch? Students, safe touch is good for your body and makes you feel important, cared for and loved. And it is a positive and caring touch that enrich all of our lives. So, there are two kinds of touch. First one is good touch and next is bad touch. Good touch is a touch that keeps you safe and is good and makes you feel cared for and important. It can include hugging, pats on the back and an arm around the shoulder. But bad touch is a touch that hurts body or feelings, which in turn makes you feel uncomfortable. It can include like hitting, pushing, pinching and kicking. So, run away from the person whose touch you don't like. If you feel uncomfortable, then please tell to your parents about it. Next one is safety rules for touching. What are the rules? The touching rule is no one should. Listen carefully. No one should touch your private body parts. The always ask first rule. Always ask your parents or the person in charge first. If someone you know wants to give you something and if someone you know asks, then you go to somewhere with him or her. Students, don't go outside with strangers or anyone if you don't know them. Always ask your parents that can I go with him or her? If they give you permission, then you should go. Otherwise, no. So please be aware of good touch and bad touch. If you feel any bad touch, then please talk to your parents or teachers. So students, your classwork is do page number 71 and 72 in your EVS book. And your homework is do page number 73 and 74 in your EVS book. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.